Hello everyone, I'm so excited because this week I received a new Linkswell Tesla style radio for my Tundra. Unite Me Auto Company sent this unit to me for its review. I added a product link below in case you are interested on this unit. So in this video you will see the unboxing. Also, I'm going to do more videos about this unit, such as the installation, setup, and review. First of all, welcome back. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Remember to hit that like button below if you like this content to support my channel. So right now, you are looking at the unboxing of this unit. It came very well packaged and protected. This is the second time I have the opportunity to work on a unit like this. And even though this is not the first time, I felt like a kid with a new toy while unboxing this unit. It has a lot of stuff to discover in all ways on its content and features. It has a lot of cool stuff and it is a huge improvement to any Tundra truck when it is compared to the factory radio. All key features are listed in one side of the box. 12.1 HD IPS Android tablet. IPS monitors are really great when it comes to color performance and super wide viewing angles. It comes with PX6 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage capacity. This processor is commonly used in many Android head units. It is running Android 8.1. It has HDMI output. This is nice if you plan to add a second HD display. It has 3 RCA outputs. It has AM and FM radio, USB music and video playback, Apple and Android phone link, Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX. aptX audio is a bitrate efficient technology that ensures you receive the high quality audio from your Bluetooth device so you have a better listening experience. So this is nice to have. Wi-Fi capable, you can activate your hotspot and connect this unit to the internet anytime. Play Store app support. Play Store is the official Android market to download apps. Therefore, as an Android device, it provides support to this market. It also has Chrome web browser installed. While you are connected to the internet via Wi-Fi, you can use Chrome to navigate the internet. Factory match harnesses. This is one of the most important things that make this unit plug and play. It has all wires necessary for your Tundra truck. Factory match bezels. Factory camera retention. This is a must. No one wants to lose their factory camera. So 3 camera inputs, right, front and rear. This is super cool to me. I already have front and rear camera, and for sure I will be adding side cameras too. This radio fits 2014 to 2020 Toyota Tundras. This is a super improvement to any Tundra truck in terms of the look and feel, usability and features when you compare it with the factory unit. Now let's proceed and see what is inside the box. The first thing you will see is the warranty card. It has 1 year warranty from the day of the original purchase. And it's very important to note that the warranty is not gonna be valid if the product is not registered within 30 days. Next is the instruction references. It says the user manual printout is not included, but you can access it after you install the radio by following these instructions. That means there are not installation instructions included in this package, but there are a lot of resources on the web. Also, I'm going to prepare a new video including all the details to install this unit on my Tundra, so that's also another resource that you're gonna have. Also, you will find our harness inside this box. I will talk more about this during the installation. For now, let's just see what is inside the box. There are 2 bags with a lot of wires and connectors. So the first one has a USB extension, a microphone, an auxiliary RCA inputs with audio and video connectors, DVR connector that has the wiring for IR, ground, ACC and 12 volts connections, RCA audio outputs for subwoofer and audio also. My truck has a JBL system. My plan is to keep it, so I am not gonna use this harness. These connections can be used if you plan to add an audio amplifier basically. It also has the camera input harness, and this harness has the right camera power wire, the front camera power wire, the right camera video input, the factory camera video input, the front camera video input, the reverse power wire, and 360 trigger. This is interesting to me because I want to add a 360 view to my Tundra, so I will be exploring this option more in details during the installation. It also has a Wi-Fi antenna. It's a huge antenna for my surprise, but it's good to know that it is included. It also has a GPS antenna. I will check the connection because I want to keep the factory GPS antenna. I will be adding a converter if needed, so let's see it during the installation. So there are more in the other bag. I do really like stuff like this that has a lot of things to discover, explore, and learn. This bag has the Canbus box. This box is basically a communication device that interfaces with the Canbus in your Tundra. This is the main harness that has all connections for the radio and the Canbus. The good thing is that all connectors are labeled, and also the majority of them fit only in one place. USB extension specifically for phone link. Here is where you have to connect your phone. It also has a climate control and emergency light harness. Radio antenna harness. It also has a USB harness specifically for 2020 Tundra. In my case, I have a 2018, so I don't need this. I will be using the one that you see before. It also has a main harness for 2020 Tundras. This is also something that I don't need because I have 2018 Tundra, so I will be using the main harness you see before also. But it is good to know that this unit comes ready for both versions. It looked that the only difference is this so far. So finally, let's take a look at the unit. It comes very well packaged and protected. The frame has a texture that makes it look great. There are some other frame variations. Some of them only has a light button on the frame, but in my opinion, this is my preferred frame because it has the buttons that I use often, and having these buttons in the frame is easier for me to locate instead of navigating the UI while driving, for example, to speed up the AC fan. It has both brackets already attached. I like this one, and I think it's one of the most important in terms of security. To give you an example, there are some units that includes brackets but are not attached to the unit. That will make it really hard to set it up correctly. This happened to me with a different unit, so having this bracket already in position is a good thing in my opinion. So far we have seen the unboxing and all content inside the box, so I will be doing a new video for the installation and also for a review. If you are interested, remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos, and hit that like button below if you like this content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video.